Why it's better to promise nothing than to promise one thing and deliver another. When it comes to value proposition creation, the biggest mistake your organization can make is to categorize this as a marketing-only process. It's not a marketing process exclusively, it's a multifunctional discipline that must involve sales and it must involve engineering. There's no point marketing creating a brilliant story about a promise of what the customer will receive if the engineers engineer something completely different and the salespeople sell something else. The value proposition keeps integrity and consistency through the whole organization. It's the single document, which means everyone's singing from the same song sheet. Let's take an example of a company that didn't do that, Volkswagen. Now, Volkswagen promised their cars were the most efficient, that their diesel engines were the most efficient when it came to the US market. And they were promising that in their advertising. Let's have a look at a glorious creative interpretation of that value proposition right now.
These cars are fuel hogs.
Not this one. Hashtag over 800 miles on one tank.
Hashtag fuel efficient.
Hashtag Passat.
What do you gotta use hashtag for?
Mary hates hashtag.
I like hashtag.
Shut up with the hashtag,
Hashtag
please.
over eight-
Just say it's a beautiful car. Ay.
Hashtag Volkswagen.
Hashtag diesel. Hashtag great car.
I don't know what the hell a hashtag is.
Hashtag smooth car.
Hashtag Volkswagen.
Hashtag German engineering.
I hate hashtag.
How do you like my new car? Isn't diesel dirty?
Oh, say it's beautiful, for Christ's sake.
I think it's beautiful, but aren't diesels dirty?
Yeah, that's true.
Oh, that used to be dirty. This is
No,
2015.
no. Listen to me, Terry. Diesel in Latin means dirty.
I'll prove it to you.
You're gonna ruin your scarf. Oh, look what she's doing.
See how clean it is?
It's not dirty, but you still have a dirty mind.
I do not.
Yes, you do.
So no one reading that advert would come away thinking anything other than diesel cars from Volkswagen are the most efficient. Unfortunately, somewhere else within the organization, the engineers had realized they couldn't deliver on that commitment. So they stuck a cheat device under the bonnet or the hood of the car. And when they got caught, that didn't just damage the reputation of Volkswagen, it contradicted the value proposition, causing immense harm. It didn't just obviously hurt Volkswagen itself, but all the associated companies using the same engineering. So that's Skoda and Seat and Audi and Lamborghini. And it goes beyond that. It transcends just those brands because it also damaged the reputation of the entire German automotive industry. For years and years, German cars had been renowned for being quality and reliable and the integrity of those brands. And the decision made at the engineering level within Volkswagen has actually managed to damage the value proposition of an industry and a country.